Hello, this is Barbara. Visit me, Ma, in Arkansas. And I was reading this, well, I did read this book, and some of the questions and discussions that the author put out there was very interesting. And it says the guiding scripture verse for joyful was from Psalms 97:11. Light shines on the godly, and joy on those whose hearts are right. And it was really quite interesting that she says, I really felt that the following Amish proverb fit the Beiler family. A house is made from walls and beams. A home is made of love and dreams. And she questions, how have you made your house into a home? It really strikes my interest that this novel can stretch that far in the meaning. But I do believe you would enjoy reading it. It is large print, again. It's Shelley Shepherd Gray's book, the series from the Sugarcreek, Return to Sugarcreek. The book's name is Joyful. It says Randall Beiler will sacrifice anything to take care of his younger siblings and the family farm. And the brother hires Elizabeth Nolt to come in and clean the house. Well, he knows he broke her heart one time, long time ago. But he knows and finds out that Elizabeth and her mother and family need help. So he supports the helping and also her help in the family. But it all works out for the good in the end. I think you would enjoy Love Forever at the end of this book. Will it be a partner or a love forever? Read the book and find out. It's a really good, feel-good book. And I love that it has hope, love, and understanding. Well, remember, God has you in His hands. And pray for Mother Earth. Have a great day. Bye.